Wondering which air fryer brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your air fryer purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, NuWave air fryer brand faces poor quality. Second, Dash air fryer brand grapples with technical issue. Third, Elite Gourmet air fryer brand encounters customer is not satisfied. Fourth, GoWise USA air fryer brand confronts poor customer service. And fifth, Chefman air fryer brand suffers from heating element issue, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended air fryer brands, including: first one, Instant Pot air fryer; second, Philips air fryer; third, Cosori air fryer; and fourth, Ninja air fryer. Let's see the comparison. Let's dive into the world of air fryers and explore the capacity each brand offers in their models. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer boasts a spacious 10 quart. Philips air fryer offers a 7 quart option. Cosori air fryer matches Instant Pot with a 10 quart, while Ninja air fryer falls in between with an 8 quart capacity. Compare power output for cooking efficiency. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer operates at a formidable 1500 watts, while Philips air fryer elevates the standard with a robust 1750 watts. Cosori air fryer leads the charge with an impressive 1800 watts, and Ninja air fryer follows closely behind, offering a substantial 1690 watts of power. Evaluate preset options for diverse recipes. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer boasts a versatile range with 8 presets, while Philips air fryer offers 5 presets for convenient cooking. Cosori air fryer outshines with an extensive selection of 12 presets, and Ninja air fryer provides a well-rounded package with 6 presets to cater to various culinary needs. Check temperature range for versatile cooking. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer spans from 32 degrees Celsius to 205 degrees Celsius. Philips air fryer maintains a range of 40 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. Cosori air fryer offers a broader spectrum from 88 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius, while Ninja air fryer matches Cosori air fryer with a range of 40 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius, providing diverse cooking capabilities for different culinary needs. Explore innovative cooking technologies. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer integrates even crisp for precise cooking. Philips air fryer emphasizes fat removal for healthier meals. Cosori air fryer implements 360 thermo IQ for consistent temperature control, and Ninja air fryer introduces dual zone for versatile cooking options, catering to a variety of culinary preferences and requirements. Consider cord length for convenient placement. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer provides a generous 3 feet of cord. Philips air fryer offers 2.6 feet. Cosori air fryer has a 2-foot cord, and Ninja air fryer matches Philips with the 2.6-foot cord, ensuring flexibility in placement while ensuring convenience during usage. Determine manufacturing location for quality standards. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer hails from Canada. Philips air fryer originates from the Netherlands, while Cosori air fryer and Ninja air fryer are both proudly crafted in China, reflecting global sourcing in the realm of kitchen appliances. Assess body material for durability and safety. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer boasts durable stainless steel construction. Philips air fryer opts for lightweight plastic, while both Cosori air fryer and Ninja air fryer prioritize the resilience of stainless steel, ensuring longevity and performance in the kitchen. Look for companion apps for cooking guidance. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer provides the Instant Brands Connect app. Philips air fryer offers NutriU. Cosori air fryer features the Cosori air fryer app, and Ninja air fryer provides the Ninja Pro Connect app, enhancing user experience and culinary possibilities through digital assistance and recipes. Check noise levels for a quiet kitchen. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot, Philips, and Cosori air fryer boast low noise levels, ensuring a quiet cooking experience, while Ninja air fryer operates at a higher noise level, providing a contrast in auditory experience during kitchen tasks. seek discounts for cost-effective purchases, let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot Air Fryer offers a 12% discount. Philips Air Fryer provides an impressive 49% discount. Kosori Air Fryer offers a 20% discount, and Ninja Air Fryer provides a 10% discount, ensuring customers can enjoy savings while investing in high-quality kitchen appliances. Consider Amazon ratings for customer satisfaction. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot Air Fryer leads with an impressive 66,323 ratings, each above a 4.4-star average on Amazon. Philips Air Fryer follows with 2,969 ratings, while Kosori Air Fryer boasts 28,793 ratings, and Ninja Air Fryer accumulates 20,862 ratings, reflecting the widespread acclaim and satisfaction among customers for these versatile kitchen appliances. Examine build quality for longevity. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot Air Fryer stands out with its excellent build quality, while Philips Air Fryer maintains a good standard. Both Kosori Air Fryer and Ninja Air Fryer are renowned for their excellent build quality, ensuring durability and reliability in the kitchen for all culinary endeavors. Review warranties for peace of mind. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot Air Fryer and Philips Air Fryer offer a standard 1-year warranty, while Kosori Air Fryer provides an extended 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Similarly, Ninja Air Fryer also offers a 1-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and support for their kitchen appliances. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 air fryer brands. These air fryers excel in frying and baking, offering deliciously crispy results. Perfect for roasting and grilling, these air fryers ensure flavorful meals with ease. Featuring digital touch control panels, they provide intuitive operation for effortless cooking. Ideal for heating and dehydrating, these air fryers offer versatility in meal preparation. They're great for roasting and cooking frozen foods, delivering quick and convenient meals. Suitable for use in dorm rooms, they provide compact and efficient cooking solutions. Recognized as the most-selling air fryer brand online, they're trusted by many. Perfect for use on boats and outdoor events, they offer portable cooking convenience. Well-suited for community centers, they cater to large-scale cooking needs. Ideal for use in commercial kitchens, these air fryers are designed for high-volume cooking. Equipped with overheat protection, they prioritize safety during operation. With safety lock enabled, these air fryers offer added security and peace of mind. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Instant Pot Air Fryer holds strong 4.5-star rating, and Philips Air Fryer has good 4-star rating. Kosori Air Fryer holds a strong 4.5-star rating, and Ninja Air Fryer holds strong 4.5-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: air fryer, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Prior to purchasing an air fryer, it is advisable to thoroughly evaluate its capacity, body material, multiple preset functions, overall customer ratings, and the extent of warranty coverage it offers. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.